Good afternoon. I'm Brian Tuck from Tuck Law Offices. It's April 2nd, 2020, and obviously we are all waiting for this crisis to pass. There are some extraordinary things that have happened in the business and legal communities, one of which I want to address in this short video because I've fielded quite a few questions from landlords and from tenants and also from lenders and borrowers. And that question is this: what happens if we need to enforce our lease or our mortgage? From the tenant and borrower side, the question is, what happens if I'm unable to pay the rent under my lease or a mortgage payment under my mortgage? Yesterday, April 1st, 2020, the Pennsylvania Supreme Court issued an order that's referred to as the Second Supplemental Order. I'm going to link to that in either the comments to this video, if you're watching it on Facebook or Instagram, or in the description if you're watching this on YouTube. Now, the Second Supplemental Order deals with how the court system is supposed to operate during the time of the stay-at-home order issued by Governor Wolf. The Second Supplemental Order is very extraordinary. That's really the only word I can use to describe it. And the key provision I want you all to know, if you're a landlord, a mortgage holder, or a tenant, or a borrower, I mean, this is basically everybody. The part of the order you need to be aware of is that no one in the Pennsylvania judiciary at any level shall effectuate an eviction, ejectment, or other displacement from a residence based upon the failure to make a monetary payment. What that means is no judge in Pennsylvania during the time of this order, which expires right now on April 30th, it may be extended, we're going to have to see. But basically, no judicial officer can effectuate an eviction up to and including April 30th for non-payment. The order goes on to say that the temporary prohibition encompasses mortgage foreclosures, failure to pay rent, or failure to pay property taxes. Why this is important is typically the non-payment of rent under the Pennsylvania Landlord-Tenant Act, you get a 10-day notice to quit, and the eviction process can move fairly rapidly. What the court is basically saying is that they have suspended the enforcement mechanisms for mortgages and leases in Pennsylvania temporarily. We will have to see if this order gets extended. But if you have a question about this, feel free to email me. My email is in the comments or in the description, and we can work through it. I hope you all stay safe and stay healthy, and we all get through this fairly soon. Take care, and I will bring you additional updates on this kind of subject matter as they become available, because I think there is a lot of confusion out there in the business community and certainly with residential leases. So take care, everybody, and I will talk to you soon.